You can earn some serious money online by watching YouTube videos. We keep watching YouTube videos all the time without getting paid, not even for the data that we watched with. But in this video, I want to show you a strategy that can help you earn some cool money online by watching just a 30 seconds YouTube video. This is legit and everyone can do it. It is a smart way of making some extra cash. Don't skip any part of this video, as I'm going to show you just one platform that you can use in getting money and another for cashing out. This is going to be straight to the point. Just follow every single instruction that will be taught in this video. Let's go. The first platform to consider is AdMeFast. AdMeFast.com is a network that will help you grow your social media presence. So many people use this service in growing their social media accounts, and you can take advantage of this and make money. It is very easy and it's free to register. People earn up to 400 bonus for just being active on this platform, and you can use this to sell social media following and earn some cool money. It has a great review on Trustpilot, up to 4.6 reviews, and this is excellent. So many people are giving great testimony about this platform, and this is the platform that we're going to use in making money. About 6.7 million active users, and with a cool payment method that you can use in withdrawing your money. But then I'm going to show you a simple way you can earn money on this platform just by viewing YouTube videos. Just 30 seconds, and at a point you can increase it for more points. The trick here is that any YouTube video you watch, you gather points, and you can redeem these points for cool cash. Stay with me to the end, as I'm going to walk you through how you can sign up on this and take advantage and also make money with AdMeFast. Check the video description for a link to this platform. But first of all, you need to register. You click on register and you fill this form. You provide your email address, your password, and you repeat the password. You check on I'm not a robot and you click on sign up. As simple as that, your account is created. Now let's move into the account and see how we can use this platform to make some cool money. When you log into the account, this is what you see. If you look up here, these are the points that I've gathered so far. This is a new account, and so what you want to do is, because we said we want to watch YouTube videos and get paid, you scroll down here to the left side of the menu and you can see YouTube views. So you come in to take advantage of this and earn some cool points and convert it to money. So you click on YouTube views. This is how you earn the points. I want you to read this green inscription here. At a point it will change. Don't read anything down there. Some people try to trick you to tell you that if you watch less you get this amount of points, or if you watch more you get this amount of points. But I want you to focus only on the green description here. It says view this video for 30 seconds and get 4 points. So that is what you want to do. You click on the view video button and the video pops up here. Just allow this video to move to 30 seconds. Forget the ad. Watch here, focus on this. This is what is giving you the counter. Okay, so once that is finished, then it will show you your points that you've gathered. So that is it. Just wait for the 30 seconds to be up and your points will be added to the total points here. Okay, it is as simple as that. So look at that, we have 31 points now. So you can continue and watch more videos for 30 seconds and you get rewarded. I think I clicked somewhere and so the pop-up is hiding, but I don't really mind because the focus here is to get more points. The focus is on the money. So wait till the 30 seconds is up and you can get your points. This is very easy and so many people are doing it. Look at this, people are getting 19,000 points and so on, and you can do that. So here what you want to do is to solve this puzzle. It says please click on these two images to orient them correctly. So you look at the image well. Okay, think this is a bed that has turned upside down, and then I click on submit, and then you can watch more videos for points. So just continue doing this and you can accumulate more points and redeem these points for money. So that is it. Very simple. Watch this video for 66 seconds and you get 11 points. I'm going to show you how you can redeem these points for money. But wait, a cool way to also make money from this platform is to be an affiliate of this cool platform. Whilst you helping others, also getting points and making money, you also get paid for that. And you can also buy some cool subscriptions, or you can add up your account for views and you also get paid. So this is very easy and simple. So look at that. Now the points have changed, 42 points now. You can also watch this for 30 seconds and you get paid. So you keep on building these points whilst watching your YouTube videos, the interesting ones, and you get your points and redeem this for a cool cash. So for the sake of this video, let me end this here and show you how you can redeem these points or get some extra money from this platform. We want to redeem our points we had on Admin Fast with pvAIP.com. How are we going to redeem these points? By selling either YouTube, Instagram, or Twitter services, and we're going to get real cash to spend. And this is easy. When you visit this platform, you can sign up by clicking on either login or sign up here, and you provide your email address and click on sign up. It is as simple as that. You can also sign up with your Gmail direct from here or on Facebook. So many people are taking advantage of this and they are making lots of money. They are selling accounts and services on this platform, and you can do same and make money. People are even selling Fiverr accounts and services. But for us, we want to sell a service that we know that is in high demand, and we know that Instagram accounts and services is in high demand, Twitter accounts and services in high demand, YouTube accounts and services in high demand. And so we want to sign up, log in, and start selling some of these services. All right, so when you log in, this is how it looks like. This should be your profile, and now you can click on either Instagram, YouTube, or Twitter and sell some of these services. Let's first take a look at Instagram accounts and services. So you click on this and you look at how much people are making from selling all these services. For now, you can sell followers, you can sell even usernames, you can sell mentions for real cash. Now let's look at Instagram followers. This is how much people are making by selling Instagram followers. $39 for 10,000 followers, and they provide this service within 1 to 24 hours, and you can do same. This one is also selling it for $44. That is 22,000 Instagram followers. So you can provide this service and earn some cool money. When you come here, you can either buy or sell, but we want to sell. How? You click on post new settings, post new listing, and you give the title of the listing. We want to sell Instagram followers, so you type in your title, Instagram followers for sale. Then you put the description, nice description, as how you saw other people doing it. You put the description here and you select the number of followers people get per the amount that you quote, and you select your delivery time. Any time frame you can provide this service, you can do that, and you get people asking for this service and you get paid. Okay, so that is it. Once you sell this service here and people order, you take their account and you bring it to addmefast.com, and you can use your points to create a post for people to also like and follow, and you get paid for that. All the requests you get from pvAIP.com, you come to addmefast and you get those services from here, and it is as simple as that. So you use your points to buy the followers for the person in pvAIP.com. That is very easy, and this is one way to redeem the points. And another way, as I told you, is to be an affiliate of addmefast.com, and you can earn so much money. You can also redeem these points by visiting microworkers.com. Here people take micro tax and they get money. You can sell YouTube views and likes or whatever service here, and you get paid real cash. When you visit here, all you need to do is click on register. You join and you can sell these services, and you use your points in addmefast to buy these for the people who order for this service. This is a cool way to make money by just watching YouTube videos, something that we do for free without getting paid. You are getting paid for it by just watching up to 30 seconds YouTube video. This is a cool way to do it. Try it out and earn some cool money. Subscribe to our channel, click on the notification bell so you don't miss any of our videos next time. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.